like to introduce you to the newest member of the DW family. This comes courtesy of Mr. Stephen Merritt. It does come with a controller, but today we are going to put this out here and have a little fun. I have talked crap about this drone ever since it was released. I have to say it feels flimsy. I'm half tempted to open this up later and see what's going on inside of this thing, but it feels very flimsy. If I squeeze it, it pops and cracks like the joints aren't tight. So I don't know, guys. I'm down here at my field, and this is a servo operated gimbal with stabilized 4K 1080 and 720, and I think I'm gonna run this at 1080 today and see how things go. It does have optical flow. I haven't even checked what the other sensors are. I'm assuming sonar, because there's two of them. There's also a light sensor of some kind. I don't know, guys. I haven't really looked into this too in depth since it was released. All I know is it was kind of junk out the hole, but everybody said, oh, you didn't give it a fair shake. You didn't, you know, you haven't flown it yet. You can't be talking about something you don't own. Well, guess what? I've got one here today, and I'm going to put it up in the air with my cell phone's Wi-Fi and fly it with screen controls, which I'm pretty talented at, and we're going to see what the Unique Breeze has to offer. I did come with one battery. I'm about to kick this thing off, and we will see you guys in a sec. This has basically become what I call my throwaway drone. This is going to be the one I take out on the boat with me and all that fun stuff. Unless this thing is really awesome, this is most likely going to be the boat drone. And it does have the follow me features and stuff like that, which is what I'm looking for. It's portable, it did come with a hard case, and I do have a controller for it. So we're gonna put this up here. Says it'll go about 100 meters, which is probably roughly maybe a little past the end of this field here. So just under 400 feet, so probably the end of this field. We're gonna play with it before those big clouds roll in and see what this thing can do. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay guys, 97% battery. I think you guys can hear me. I'm going to try not to cover the microphone if possible and still fly. So I'm going to go to pilot mode, swipe to blah blah, sure. Alright, says I have 18 satellites, not too shabby. Let's take off and see if this thing goes absolutely crazy batch wonky all over the place. I also have my screen recording going. It's using a lot of processing power. Let's check the gimbal down, gimbal up. So far so good. Let's take off and see what happens. Slide to take off. Okay, so far so good. It is in the air. Hey, what's up everybody? Oh boy, there is some serious latency lag here. My arm is down now, and I just saw it go down. This is crazy amount of lag. Okay, I don't know how people fly like this, but I'm gonna take it up anyways. Oh gosh, it's slow. Alright. Let's do this. It's very responsive to the controls, but I have the controls reversed for some reason, which is weird to me. Well, let's take her out there, see how far she'll go. Alright. Let's see where it stops me. Is it going to stop me at 100 meters? 100 meters. Alright, let's turn it around here, point it at us. Wow, this thing is touchy. Oh my gosh, the video is so slow, it's still showing me going to the end of the park. I just stopped for geofence. Holy mackerel. Craziness. Okay, let's take her up higher. We're going to take her way up there. Let's see how high she allows me to go. Trying to slowly pan as I go up. Check out the area, slow pan. Though there's latency lag, I still have a very solid signal. It's 100 meters away, and that is with a very slow left-hand yaw. Oops, I just lost control. Okay, we're back. Let's keep sending her up. There we go. Losing control again. %71 battery. I'm trying to take her all the way to the top if she'll let me. Looks like that's it. 80 meters. Let's push, we'll pull back. Oh, now it's not listening. Come on, you. There we go. I don't know which way it's traveling though. Seems to be backwards to me. It is, okay. Let's try this way. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's just stuck up there. Well, it doesn't listen very well, does it? I'm gonna have to go for a walk here, guys. Get off my screen. Oh my gosh, don't tell me it's just sitting up there. Come on, reconnect. Reconnect. Ah, it's coming home by itself. It went into RTH by itself because it lost connection. Well, it's right over top of me. It should have connection again, and it doesn't. Okay, guys, I guess it's bringing itself all the way back. Let's see if I can reprime the app. Let's try taking off again. Let's see what happens here. Nope, still not connected. What's going on, man? How's it going? What's up, bro? Alright. Wow, man, we still have no connection. This is crazy. This makes me feel so uncomfortable. Now it's starting its landing progress. And I still have no... Oh my gosh, it just reconnected. Okay. Holy mackerel. 47% battery. Wow, this thing is kind of scary. Okay, well, let's bring her down anyways. Man, the signal is so scrambled. This thing's all over the place. Man, it is almost right on top of me and I still have no signal. How's that even possible? Crazy. Alright, 36%. I have to basically stand in front of it to get signal. Or send it backwards, one or the other. Waving, waving, waving. Oh my gosh, this is so horrible. It is very stable though, it's just sitting there. That's pretty good. Optical flow and the sensor seem to be working pretty good. I think this is going to work a lot better on a Wi-Fi repeater, honestly, guys. So I'll probably end up connecting a Wi-Fi repeater to this and see how it does, because this is really touchy. Almost to the point where it's scary touchy. I don't like how it functions. I don't like how it just disconnects. 31% battery. Let's see what camera does. Okay, that's how you record. So I could start a recording. Let's see what happens here. Back to controls. I guess we're recording now. Awesome. Internal most likely. I'm waving, I'm waving, I'm waving. Let's see how long it takes. Waving, 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 waving. Oh my God. If you started recording on Wi-Fi with the recording going, it's even worse. That's nuts. Alright, let's stop that recording. Holy mackerel. Okay. Wow, does this have a horrible connection. Alright, let's just set it down here. Oh my God. Nice little landing. Motor's cut off. Excellent. I've already walked up to it, guys. Like, I am seriously picking it up now with my hands. And it shows it hasn't even landed yet. Okay, I physically have it in my hand and walking back towards my car already. Oh my God, the lag is so bad with this thing. Alright, we're taking a walk. Going back to my car. We're going to set this on top and we're going to have a little communique. I think this drone is everything I expected it to be. Not wonderful. Not very stable signal. At least the failsafe worked. Oh my God. This is probably to date the scariest drone I have flown that just disconnects. Alright, setting it on top of my car right here so you guys can still see me. Alright, so I'm standing in front of the camera now. It's on top of my car and we still haven't even reached the car. That tells you how off the Wi-Fi really is. Guys, this thing is a scary little drone, man. Man, I would have loved to have seen this on 2.4 gigahertz instead of 5G. I'm going to keep playing with this. We are going to hook a Wi-Fi repeater up to it. We are going to see what happens with a Wi-Fi repeater. So I guess I'm going to have to take a look at that footage and see what my thoughts are. Holy mackerel, I just set it down. So we've been talking for a good minute here. Alright guys, definitely has GLONASS. You can see I got 17 satellites, 23% battery, short flight time. We did take it all the way up to 80 meters. I guess that's as high as it's allowed to go and 100 meters away. So, probably good for the boat if I can hone into the signal and make it work better. But, my God, the Unique Breeze is a scary little platform. When it just disconnected, I was like, oh my gosh. I had no failsafe options. I had nothing. Like, is it going to come home? What's it doing? And then it was disconnected for almost 2 minutes before it finally almost landed in front of me and then reconnected. That's scary. It's a scary little platform to me. Alright guys, that's it, man. Drone worship, I'm out of here. We're going to keep messing with this. I'm going to try to say good things about this, but my first run-in with this was not wonderful. Did it fly? Yes. Did it fly well? Yes. Did the landing work? Yes. Are the sensors good? Yes. GPS? Yes. 4K? Yes. Wi-Fi signal? No. Which unfortunately is the biggest part of flying drones to me, is having a good visual while flying. I can't have 45, 50 seconds of latency lag before you see what's going on. It just makes it impossible to fly anything decent at all. So, alright man, I'm out. Drone worship. Make sure to smash that like button, make some love to it, leave a comment. You guys know how we roll. And I'm gone, dude.